Imagine, it's the perfect night. An epic party with you and your best friends in the whole wide world. Suddenly, someone comes over, asks you to take their picture. Another person follows suit. You are a great picture taker after all. Another follows, and another. Hours pass, the whole night, and all you've done is take pictures of other people having fun. Luckily, with our photo booths, we have an unattended mode, so your photos can keep on rolling even if you don't have an attendant to run your booth. When your guest comes to an unattended booth, an idle video will be there to greet them with a graphic of your choice, letting them know their photo booth experience is just a touch away. As soon as they interact with the booth, a welcome video can show them exactly what to do to set up the perfect photo, video, or GIF. It's perfect when you want to do an install or only hire setup staff. And like that, your night is saved. Letting you live to party it up another night. That is, until someone needs you to go on a beer run. Oh well, cheers to a great event.